Now, if I want to change the credit limit for any customer, I'll go to customers and sales tab and browse the customers and view and edit customer. Now, for example, I want to change the limit for Abu Bakr. So I'll just double click on Abu Bakr to open that customer. And under the payment and credit tab, it says terms are set to default terms and credit limits is 2500. Now, if you want to customize it, you can click on customize terms for this payment. Now it says due in number of days, 30 days is the due date. By default, you can change that. But right now we are focusing on the credit limits. Credit limit is by default 2500 and it notifies you when it is over that credit limit. You can set it to any limit, 500,000. And after 500,000, it will notify now. You can also change it to no credit limit. If you give unlimited credits to your customer, then this option is suitable. Always notify means it will always notify you hold over credit limit. That means whenever the credit limit exceeds, it will not let you to even enter the sales. And always hold means if there is a previous dispute with this customer, so you can hold its sales invoice. So PeachTree will not allow you to even enter the sales invoice before the dispute is resolved. So after the dispute is resolved, you can go to this customer and manually change it. So that's how we change the credit limits. Now you can just save it and close. So that's how we deal with it.